Best Luxury Small Car for 2025 to 2024 Audi A5. As we step into 2025, the 2024 Audi A5 has been recognized as the best luxury small car of the year. This accolade is a testament to the A5's exceptional blend of elegant design, advanced technology, and exhilarating performance. The A5 continues to set the standard in its class, offering a compelling choice for discerning drivers who seek both style and substance. Sophisticated design and luxurious interior. The 2024 Audi A5 boasts a sleek and sophisticated design that commands attention on the road. Its aerodynamic lines, bold single-frame grille, and striking LED headlights create a dynamic and refined presence. The coupe, sportback, and convertible body styles provide versatility, catering to different tastes and preferences. Inside, the A5 exudes luxury with high-quality materials and meticulous craftsmanship. The cabin is adorned with premium leather upholstery, brushed aluminum or wood trim, and customizable ambient lighting. The ergonomic design ensures that all controls are intuitively placed, enhancing the driving experience. The Sportback model adds practicality with a spacious rear seat and a larger cargo area, making it ideal for those who need extra versatility. Advanced technology and connectivity. Audi has equipped the 2024 A5 with a suite of advanced technology features that enhance convenience, connectivity, and safety. The centerpiece of the interior is the 10.1-inch MMI touch display, which offers intuitive access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. The system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless smartphone integration. Additionally, the A5 features Audi's Virtual Cockpit, a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster that provides drivers with essential information at a glance. This customizable display can show navigation maps, audio settings, and vehicle data, allowing drivers to tailor their view according to their preferences. Performance and efficiency. Under the hood, the 2024 Audi A5 offers a range of powerful and efficient engines. The base model comes with a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine that produces 261 horsepower and 273 lb-ft of torque. This engine delivers brisk acceleration and a smooth, responsive performance. For those seeking more power, the S5 variant features a 3.0-liter turbocharged V6 engine with 349 horsepower and 369 lb-ft of torque, providing exhilarating performance and impressive handling. Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system is standard, ensuring optimal traction and stability in various driving conditions. The combination of a well-tuned suspension and precise steering makes the A5 an engaging and enjoyable car to drive. Comprehensive safety features. Safety is a priority in the 2024 Audi A5, which comes equipped with a comprehensive suite of driver assistance features. Standard safety technologies include forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control. These systems work together to enhance driver confidence and protect occupants on the road. Market impact and availability. The 2024 Audi A5 has made a significant impact on the luxury small car market, praised for its blend of performance, technology, and refined design. Its competitive pricing and range of configurations make it an attractive option for a wide range of buyers. Available at Audi dealerships nationwide, the A5 continues to attract a loyal following among luxury car enthusiasts. Conclusion. The 2024 Audi A5 stands out as the best luxury small car for 2025, offering an exceptional combination of sophisticated design, advanced technology, and powerful performance. With its luxurious interior, cutting-edge features, and comprehensive safety systems, the A5 delivers an unparalleled driving experience that meets the high standards of today's discerning drivers.